Fillet command is used for adding radius to the corners. For example, I'll give fillet command and select the radius. Let's say 1 and enter. And then I'll add it here. That's the usual way of working with it. But if you want to add fillet on all the vertices, just give fillet command and select the radius whatever you want. And then select polyline from here. And here it is. Now in this case, we have two parallel lines. So give fillet command. Give radius. And then click on first line and second line. And now we have a semicircular edge. If you click close to this one, it will add it here. And here we have two intersecting lines. So if you give fillet command and let's say, add a radius of 0. In that case, you can trim the extra edges. The same goes for this one. Give fillet command, and here also I'll keep the radius at 0. Then I'll simply select these two lines and it will merge it at a single point. So that's how you can use fillet command in these interesting ways.